Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this FreeCAD sheet metal tutorial, you learn how to create a 3D folded sheet metal from the existing 2D drawing with a combination of FreeCAD part design and sheet metal workbenches. This is the exercise for today that we need to convert this 2D drawing into 3D sheet metal. Here are the 5 steps and the FreeCAD tools to finalize the 3D sheet metal. In step 1, we sketch the position 1 profile on XY plane, and then we create a solid part with the extrude tool. The thickness of the sheet metal is 2.6 millimeters. Now, activate the Sketch tool and then select the XY plane. First, sketch a circle with a diameter of 200 millimeters at the origin. Convert the circle geometry to construction curve. Now, activate the Hexagon Profile tool and then sketch the profile at the origin. Next, constrain the hexagon profile tangential to the circle. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Now select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then extrude it by 2.6 millimeters. In step 2, we add the 3 flanges to the created sheet metal edges with the Sheet Metal Make Wall tool. First, switch from Part Design Workbench to Sheet Metal Workbench. If you don't have the Sheet Metal Workbench, go to the Add-on Manager and then install the Sheet Metal Workbench. As you see, I installed already. Now select the 3 edges and then activate the Make Wall tool. In the dialog window, set the length to 60 millimeters, the bend radius to 2.6 millimeters, and the bend angle to 90 degrees. Check the flange height before you start to create another flange. In step 3, we add the position 3 flanges with the Sheet Metal Make Wall tool. First, check the total length of the flange. Now select the flange edges and then activate the Make Wall tool. Set the length to 32.6 millimeters, the bend radius to 2.6 millimeters, and the bend angle to 90 degrees. Now, activate the Offset button to set the distance of the flange from both sides. The flange length is 55 millimeters. Keep the other standard relief cutout values as it is. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment the video. In step 4, we sketch the circle profile and then we create the holes with the pocket and polar pattern tools. Select the top face of the flange and then activate the sketch tool. First, extract the reference edge for dimensioning. Sketch a circle with a diameter of 10 mm on the vertical axis. As you see, the sketch is full constrained. Switch to Part Design Workbench. Now select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then select the option up to face. Next, we create the other holes with the Polar Pattern tool. Select the pocket and activate the Polar Pattern tool. In this dialog window, first select the rotation axis in which the pocket will be transformed. In step 5, we sketch the cutout profile on the top face and then we remove material with the help of the Pocket tool. Select the top face and then activate the Sketch tool. Now, sketch the circles with the given diameters. Next, we sketch a centered rectangle with a width of 15 mm on the vertical axis. Now, remove unnecessary edges and curves with the Trim tool. Next, we rotate these vertical lines about the origin. Select the lines and then activate the Rotate or Polar Transform tool. Set the number of copies to 2 and activate the Equal Distance option. Now rotate the lines from the center and from the vertical axis minus to 140 degrees. Remove again unnecessary edges and curves with the Trim tool. Here, constrain coincident the lines with the circle. Next, select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then set the depth to 2.6 millimeters. As you see, the 3D sheet metal part is finalized. That is for today. Follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.